In this video I'm going to create some Sherlock Holmes bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the software. I click Create New Bingo Card Project. I'm now given a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. I could choose a blank bingo card where I enter my own words. I could choose an alphabet bingo card which has letters on it, one with numbers on it. I can also choose to create bingo cards for events like birthdays, bridal showers, baby showers, holidays like Christmas, Halloween, Easter, Valentine's Day, Independence Day, and so forth, or school subjects like English, geography, history, math, science, music, or in this case I'm going to choose literature. And if I scroll down I'll find Sherlock Holmes. I either click on the item or double click on it, so I click on it and then click OK. Now selected Sherlock Holmes. There's a list of words and phrases relating to Sherlock Holmes, so they're actors who've played Sherlock Holmes, characters from the series, addresses, items that appear in the series, and so forth. I can in fact customize the word list, so for example if I didn't want Dr. Watson to appear in the list, I would highlight Dr. Watson and click delete. I can also add new items, so let's put crime as an example. I simply type it in, press return, and I can add my own items. You may notice the list is alphabetically sorted, however the new items appear at the end of the list. That's because these are from the templates of the items I've added myself. I can resort it back into alphabetical order, and in fact there are lots of different options in the program for customizing this word list, adding new words, adding multiple words, deleting items, rearranging the order of items, and so forth. On the right hand side is a sample bingo card which has got the words in the same order as in this list. The real bingo cards, as you'll see in a moment, the words are randomly arranged so that every bingo card contains a different combination and arrangement of the words. Anyway, the options for actually customizing the bingo card include using a smaller bingo card, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, which of course is what I started with, or a larger one such as 6x6 or 7x7. You'll notice on the two larger sizes there's quite a lot of white space here. It's because I haven't got enough items in this list to fill out a larger bingo card. So we'll go back to 5x5 for now. I can also customize the heading, turn it off, turn it on. I could change the text of the heading to a different word. I can change whether or not to have the special free space square in the middle of the bingo card, again turn it off or on, change the text of it if I wanted. I can also use different fonts and colours to enhance the appearance of the bingo card, and I can do that for different elements of the bingo card individually. So for example I can make the squares a checkerboard of white and perhaps this light brownish colour. Free space square we'll make it a yellow square. We'll make the heading let's have it a dark red with yellow writing, and we'll make the lines a brighter red colour, just as an example. Click OK. There's my coloured bingo card. If I wasn't happy with that I could change the colours again. I can also change the heading, so I could use a different font for the heading, for the squares and for the free space if I wanted to. But also that I'm happy with the appearance, I'm now ready to print. So we'll look at the options relating to printing, which are on the right hand side here. The first option is print call list. This tells the software to print this list of items in a random order on a separate sheet. It's a printed reference you can refer to if you're taking the role of bingo caller. It's very useful if using the bingo cards in a classroom situation. You're the teacher, you're taking the role of bingo caller, and you want to refer to the items, look back at them at any time. If you don't need a call list, you simply turn it off. Then you could choose your own items during gameplay, or there's an option in the program to also help you choose items without using a call list, which I'll show you at the end of the video. But I'll leave call list on for now so you can see what it looks like. I can also choose how many bingo cards to put on a page. I can put more than one bingo card on a page. That allows me to potentially save paper if I'm printing lots of bingo cards. The disadvantage is, of course, each individual bingo card will be smaller if I print several on a page, and if I want to give bingo cards individually to each student, I would potentially have to cut the paper up. So again, we'll stick with one for my demonstration, but you could change that in real life if you wanted to. And finally, how many bingo cards do I want to print? Typically I want to print one bingo card for each student or player. I can put in any number here between 1 and 9,999. I'm going to put in 50 in this example. Of course, you can put in a different number if you wanted to. I would now normally do print. I'm going to do print preview so you can see on screen what the results look like. First page is the call list. That's the list of words and phrases in random order. As you can see, they're all there. And if I'm happy with that, I can zoom out so I can show you the whole page, and then I'll do next page so you can see the first bingo card. Here you are, the words are arranged randomly on the paper. And if I do next page, you'll see the second bingo card is different, and the third one is different, fourth one is different, and so on. Each of the bingo cards is different. If I close the print preview, I'll now show you this other option called Call Game. If I click Call Game, what this option does is the software chooses one of the words at random, displays it on the right hand side here, and it displays the current item and any previous items on the left hand side. So I would call out 221B Baker Street, click next, it chooses another item, deduction, which is now the new top item, and the previous item is 221B Baker Street. So I can always refer back to the previous items if I need to check what I've done or people ask me what I've already called out. And I can keep doing that, calling through the different items of the bingo card list until we have a winner. And you can see a scroll bar eventually appears, and I can even scroll back through the items at any time. So that's basically it for this video. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. The website is bingocardprinter.com. As I think I've mentioned, there's a free trial version which you can download and try out for free. The free trial version is of course free. If you like it, you can register and upgrade to the full version of the software. The full version of software allows you to do everything that you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. Both the free trial version and the registered full version are compatible with all recent versions of Windows, and both the free trial version and the registered full version includes hundreds of templates for bingo activities, or of course you can use the software to create your own customized bingo activities. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial version, try it out, see what you think. Thank you very much.